Welcome. Today we're going to be all on the floor, so staying low. Make sure you have a mat. We're going to be working out through our core and our arms with some plank positions and different movements that are going to help heal the core, especially if you are postpartum. And if you're not, that's okay. We can always use a little bit of core healing. This is going to be an exercise that is lightly prompted throughout, so you'll hear me speaking, but I won't be giving a whole lot of cueing. You'll see me on the screen, of course, and so you'll be able to follow along. Go ahead and get comfortable, get a mat, or maybe a carpet. We'll go ahead and get started. When you're ready, sitting up nice and tall, let's warm up through the shoulders first. Rolling the shoulders up, back and down, and then going the opposite direction. Right hand coming down, left arm coming up for a side angle stretch. Opposite side, left hand down, right arm coming up. Setting up for tabletop position. So our wrists are going to be over our shoulders and our hips are going to be over our knees. I'll meet you there. Once here, engage the core, so navel goes up to the spine, breathing in through the lungs. Big breath out. Core is engaged, inhale. Exhale it all out. Keep the knees just as they are if you want it to be in low plank. Or bring the feet back for high plank, hold. Breathing. Press up and back, downward dog. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to plank. Inhale. Exhale. Press up and back. Last time, inhale. Exhale, coming back to plank. Right knee comes down, right hand comes down in between, in the middle of the chest, opening up through the left side. Left arm goes long. Elbow to knee. One more. Lengthen. Foot down. Stretch to the arm. Hand comes back down. Send the hips back. Child's pose. coming back up, going to the other side. Once we're here on the other side, engage the core. Breathing in, breathing out. Full breath in through the lungs. Exhale it all out. Either stay with knees down, or they can come up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, downward dog. One more time. Inhale down. Exhale up, downward dog. This time, left leg comes down, left hand comes down to the center of chest, opening up to the right side. Right arm goes long. How about a knee? I used to let things bring me down. I would walk with my eyes to the ground. But I knew I could find a way to push through. Every word they'd say, I grew strong. Do one more. I knew right from wrong. And now I feel it too. Leg down, lengthen. Arm down. Setting ourselves up now for core engagement with a plank on our forearms. Forearms and hands clasp. Hands and arms come down. Sending the feet long. Breathing. Begin to do hip dips. Pressing up and back, dolphin. Back to plank, hip dips. Breathing in, breathing out. Pressing up and back, dolphin. Knees come back down. Child's pose once more.